I am Devolina ma'am, your class teacher. Now I will going to teach you your English language, chapter number 1. The name is Why I Don't Wear Earrings. It's a story of Malala. It's a story of Malala Yousafzai, who is born in 1997 in Swat Valley, Pakistan. When the military group Taliban started shutting down the girls' school in her region, Malala spoke out against their action as an act of protest, and this is famous. In this reason, she got Nobel Prize in 2014. Here, she writes about her childhood. So first of all, she said, by the age of 7, she was used to being top of her class. She was one who would help other people who had difficulties. Malala is a genius girl. Genius means showing unusually great intelligence or skill. Very, very intelligent. She is very, very intelligent girl. She wrote, uh, her class fellow would say, and she was also known for participating in each event of her school, like badminton, drama, cricket, art, even singing, though she was not very good. So when a new girl named Malkai Noor joined her class, she does not think anything of it. Her name means Queen of Light, and she said the wanted to be Pakistan's first female army chief. So it is very important and underline, Malkai Noor means the Queen of Light, and he wanted, that means his purpose of life to be Pakistan's first female army chief. Now page number 12. Her mother was a teacher at a different school, which was unusual as none of our mother worked. To begin with, she didn't say much in class. The competition was always between her and me and her best friend Moniba. That means writers and her friends Moniba. Between two, the competition was very competition was always been assured. Who had beautiful writing and presentation, which is exam like, but I knew I could bear her on content. So when we did not end of the year exams and Malkai Noor came first, the writers were shocked. At home, she cried and cried. Cried means to anxiously, shoutly, and had to be confirmed by her mother. अगर तुम्हारा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो तो हम छोटी सी बात में बोल देते हैं कि राइटर बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट था कि उसका जो हैंड राइटिंग है वो बहुत ही प्रेजेंटेबल है, और वो जानते थे, वो कॉन्फिडेंट थे कि उसके ज़रिए वो फर्स्ट आएगा। बट जब उसका दोस्त फर्स्ट आ गया तब वो वेरी शॉक्ड हो गया और उसका मम्मी के पास वो ज़ोर से चिल्लाने लगता है। Around the time we moved away from where we had been living on the same street as Movina to an area which I did not have any friend. On our new road there was a girl called Safina. Safina was Retter's new friend, who was younger than me. That means Safina was younger than Reiter, and we started to play together. So Safina was the new friend of Reiter, and they are together started to play. She was pampered girl. Pampered means spoiled by family members. Pampered girl who had lots of dolls and shoebox full of jewelry. But she kept eyeing the pink plastic pretend phone my father means Reiter's father had bought me. जो पिंक प्लास्टिक वाला जो मोबाइल फ़ोन था जो राइटर के पापा ने उसको खरीद दिया था, उसके ऊपर उसका नज़र था। which was one of the few toys I had. My father was always talking on his mobile, so I loved to copy him and pretend to make call on mine. One day it disappeared. सो उसका नज़र था इसके ऊपर। एक दिन वो देखा उसका जो मोबाइल फ़ोन था वो नहीं देख पाए। After that, a few days later, I saw Safina playing with a phone exactly the same as mine. राइटर्स का जो मोबाइल था उसके सेम मोबाइल के साथ वो खेल रहे थे। Where did you get that? I asked. I bought in the bazaar, she said. When writer asked her जे तुम कहाँ से ये लाए, तो वो बोला हम बाज़ार से लाए। Then I realized now she could have been telling the truth back then I thought she is doing this to me and I will do the same to her. I used to go to her house to study, so whenever I was there I would like pocket her things, mostly toy jewelry like earrings and necklace. It was easy. At first stealing gave me a thrill, but that did not last long. Soon it became a compulsion and I did not know how to stop. Compulsion means strong desire to do something that is wrong or silly. तो एक दिन जब उसके घर वो गया और उसका जो नेकलेस था, उसका जो डॉल था, वो सब उसको चुरा लिया। बट इट वॉज वेरी कंपल्सन टू हर। One afternoon, writers came home from school and rushed into kitchen as usual for a snack. Hello, Bhabhi, I called. I am starving. There is silence. My mother was sitting on the floor, pounding spices, brightly colored turmeric and cumin, filling the air with their aroma, over and over pounded. Her eyes would not meet mine. What had I done? I was very sad, very to my room. When I opened my cupboard, I saw all of things I had taken were gone. I had been caught. पर उन्होंने जब ये सब चुरा के लाया था, किसी न किसी तरह उसका मम्मी ने उसको पकड़ लिया था एंड मम्मी के आँखों के तरफ वो आँख नहीं उठा पाई। दिस इज़ वेरी सैड। माई कज़िन रीना केम टू माई रूम. My cousin means writer's cousin Rina came into her room. They knew you were stealing, she said. They were waiting for you to come clean, but just kept on. I felt a terrible sinking feeling to my stomach. I walked back to my mother with my head bowed. जब मेरा कज़िन सिस्टर आके बोला कि तुमको सबने पकड़ लिया, तुमने ये काम किया, तब मेरा हेड डाउन हो गया और मम्मी के सामने एकदम सर हिला के मैंने खड़े हो गए। What you did wrong, Malala? She said. Are you trying to bring shame on us? We cannot afford to buy such things. It is not true. I lied. I did not take them. But she knew I had. Safina started it. I pressed it. She took the pink phone that Abba bought me. तब उसको जब पूछा गया कि क्यों तुमने ऐसे काम किया, हमने क्या ऐसे चीज़ तुमको नहीं दे सकता था, तभी उन्होंने बोला, सफ़ीना ने बोला, सफ़ीना मीन्स राइटर्स फ्रेंड, कि मेरे पापा ने ये मुझे गिफ्ट किया था। My mother's, that means writer's mother, was unmoved. Safina is younger than you and you should have taught her better. She said, you should have set an example. तो राइटर्स के मम्मी ने बोला, तुमसे सफ़ीना छोटा है तो तुमको उसको बेटर कोई एजुकेशन देना चाहिए। तुम ये कैसा किया कि जिसके आगे हमारा सर हिला के रखना पड़ा। I started crying and apologized over and over again. Don't tell Abba, I begged. Then writer started crying and apologized, माफ़ी मांगा and बोला and क्षमा मांगा, begged Abba. Don't tell Abba, I begged. तो वो क्षमा मांगा कि अब ऐसा हरकत वो नहीं करेगा। So students, up to this, tomorrow it will be continued. Thank you.